onion chives. I'm going to mix it in a pancake batter. So I'm going to make pancake onion chives. Welcome to Lean Cooks and More. Now let's stir fry the onion chives. Now let's prepare the batter. I'm using all-purpose flour. I'm used to doing this. I don't have to use measuring cups. A little salt. And some baking powder. Mix the pancake batter to about this consistency. And then we get the cooled onion chives. Fold it in the batter. And then we heat the pan. Check if the pan is heated. I'll show you when to flip it over. Don't go away. When it is about this, you can now start to flip it over. There. Did you see that? It is to a perfect brown, medium light brown. You wait for a few seconds and then it will be done. Let's check. Oh, still too light. Remember, on small fire. Very much. Last batch. I made 4 batches. Let's check.